So you've just driven home in a brand new Mini. The Mini app is your ticket to a more personalized drive, allowing your Mini to remember how you like things and ensure every drive feels tailor-made for you. Start by downloading the Mini app on your smartphone and follow the prompts to create your Mini ID. Then, on your Car Central display, tap the Profile button at the bottom of the screen. Select Login with Mini ID to generate a QR code, scan it with your phone, and follow the on-screen steps. Easy. Once your Mini ID profile is loaded on the central display, you'll have the option to switch vehicle key to on to link your key fob. From here on out, your car knows who's driving the moment you hop in. Next, let's make sure your Mini's ready to listen. Download the language pack so your personal assistant, Hey Mini, is all ears. Press the microphone button on the steering wheel and follow the prompts on screen to set up Personal Assistant. Once installed, you can say Hey Mini to adjust the temperature, start navigation, turn on your seat massage, and more. All safely and hands-free. Just like your phone, your Mini's apps need the occasional update to stay current and fresh. So let's turn on automatic updates to keep everything running smoothly. From the Apps screen, open the Mini Connected Store. It's your Mini's built-in app store. Once it fully loads, select Manage, then Apps, and toggle automatic updates to on. You can also give your Mini a head start by tapping Update All to make sure every app already installed is up to date. And if you have multiple driver profiles, make sure auto updates are on for each one. This one's all about choice. You decide what data to share with Mini. Things like camera access, location sharing, and certain safety features. Most settings start off disabled by default, so take a moment to review them and turn on the ones you'd like. To do that, open the Apps menu and select Data Privacy. Agree to the terms and conditions, then enable features such as anti-theft notifications, traffic information, or My Trips. You can also activate internal and external cameras for extra security or smarter navigation. For example, if the alarm sounds, certain anti-theft features allow your Mini's cameras to automatically record what's happening. Keep in mind that internal cameras vary by model, so check your Mini's specific equipment. Now that your privacy settings are set, let's personalize your drive with shortcuts to ensure that distractions are kept to a minimum. To create a shortcut, locate your favorite app on the central display, long press, and select Add to Shortcuts when the message pops up. You might want to add things like Apple CarPlay, navigation, trip data, or in-vehicle status to keep an eye on your Mini's tire pressure. Even your frequently accessed radio stations, phone contacts, or destinations can be saved. You can access your shortcuts by swiping up from the bottom of the main display, or even better, by pressing the star button on the steering wheel to view them in the head-up display. From there, you can use the scroll button on the steering wheel to cycle through your shortcuts, keeping your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. Next up, let's get your phone in on the setup. Time to pair it so everything, your calls, messages, playlists, and maps, syncs perfectly with your Mini. From the home screen, swipe to Connect Telephone and select Connect New Device. On your smartphone, open Bluetooth settings and select your Mini when it appears. Make sure the numbers match on both your smartphone and the Mini central display screens, then confirm the pairing. If you'd like, allow access to your contacts so calls and messages pop up hands-free. Now, choose Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, whichever team you're on, and follow the quick prompts to finish setup. If you're using Apple, make sure Hey Siri is turned on. Once you're paired, you're connected, and your phone's ready to roll. No cables, no fuss, just easy, hands-free access to the good stuff. With a digital key, your smartphone becomes your key. No fob required. Once activated, it lets you lock, unlock, and start your vehicle right from your phone. A digital key also allows you to easily share your vehicle key with family, friends, or dealership technicians. To create a digital key, start with your physical key fob inside your Mini. Next, hold the setup card to the back of your smartphone or scan the QR code printed on it. Tap the notification to open the Mini app and follow the on-screen prompts. Once setup is complete, add the key to your phone's digital wallet. This can take about 15 seconds. When you see that the key has been activated, tap Finish on your Mini central display to confirm. Finally, and most importantly, link your new digital key to your Mini ID or driver profile, and that's it. You're officially set up and ready to enjoy the drive exactly how you like it. Now check out the next how-to for more ways to make your Mini truly yours.